When your computer stops, your work stops. It's a huge problem. Are you currently experiencing a computer-related emergency and need it fixed as soon as possible? Don't panic and trust fixing it to just anyone. When you have a problem with your computer or network of computers in your business, you need to make sure that you're dealing with a computer repair technician that has the knowledge and experience to get the job done quickly and effectively. We would love to help you. Whether your computer issues are large or small, you deserve a computer repair technician who is fast, polite, punctual, and skilled. One that is committed towards saving you time and money and getting you up and running as quickly as possible. We will assess the problem quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right. Don't risk losing any more productivity due to a faulty computer by putting off the repair any longer. Contact us today. You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.